enter Naija.
Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you're seeing our video for the first time, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Please remember to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Yes, we are back again with the Million March for Peter Obi. This time is Benin City that has come with theirs. Yes, Edo State, Benin City wants to have a 2 million march for the presidential aspirant of the Labour Party. Yes, they are having 2 million march. Yeah, Port Harcourt was the first to announce their 2 million march. Then Benin has taken over. It has always been 1 million, but Benin and Port Harcourt have decided to do 1 million. But the Benin people say they are going to do 1 million march, and they are going to be take 2 million, forgive me. And mind you, they are going to be taking off from Ugbowo in the city of Benin, close to Uniben, and they're going to take that march down to the square at Ring Road. Yes, that is how the march is going to go on. So I saw it on Twitter. I decided to bring the update to you guys. What is your thought? What do you think about it? What is your opinion? And for those who are in Benin, the ancient city of Benin, what do you think about it? Are you going to be part of this million march for the presidential aspirant of the Labour Party? Let me know in the comment section, and if you don't mind, just also tell me who you are going to vote for in the comment section. We're going to bring you such content to you pretty soon, so keep it logged down on our channel. We're going to be giving you all the updates regarding this forthcoming election back to back as it comes. And don't also forget, we are going to follow through with this march in the city of Benin to give you all the updates as it goes down in the march that day. So keep it logged down on our channel. We're excited to have you in our midst. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.